Alright guys, we just got to our campsite here in Big Creek. It is part of the Smoky Mountains National Forest. But yeah, this is our little campsite here. We're gonna be staying in our car though, but we do have a fire that we're gonna have tonight. Got all our food out. So we're gonna get all that ready, have a fire going, hang out, and then tomorrow we have an exciting hike that leads to a waterfall that you can swim in, and hopefully we can swim in it because hopefully the water levels are high enough. Yeah, we'll see about tomorrow, but for now we're gonna get this fire going, enjoy it, and we'll see you tomorrow morning. Good morning everyone, we are back today. It is about 7:30 in the morning here, a little cloudy and rainy. I was gonna record more last night, but as you can see, it's soaking wet because it was raining all night. So we're back this morning. We have this beautiful river right behind us. I'm gonna try to get a couple casts back there with a rooster tail, see if I can catch anything. I don't think I would keep anything out of here, but it's barbless. I'm just gonna try to catch something because I've never caught a mountain trout or anything like that, so this will be my first time. I don't know if this river even has anything or if it even gets, you know, if it's wild or anything like that. We're gonna find out today, so let's get down there and start fishing. Alright guys, we are heading back to camp now. Unfortunately didn't catch anything, but I had 2 hits at the beginning, and that was it. I walked all the way down to the bridge that was down on that way, and all the way up to the waterfall that's kind of back there. I don't know if you can see it, but we are heading back to camp now. Gonna have some breakfast, hang out, and then go on this awesome hike. We have been here before. It's called the Midnight Hole, but the place that we're staying is called Big Creek. So that's where the Midnight Hole hike is. So if you ever want to look it up, it's right on the Tennessee-North Carolina border. It's called Big Creek in the Smoky Mountains. So I guess we'll see you guys when we get onto the hike. Good morning again, guys. Funny story. When we were at Midnight Hole over at Big Creek trying to go on Midnight Hole hike, they were doing trail service and they were doing camp service. So we technically got kicked out at 12 o'clock. And we didn't get to do the hike, but instead we have a better hike here. We are in northern Georgia at Tallulah Falls, I believe it's called. We are going to be sliding down a waterfall. We just have to get a permit, so we're here at, it's like 7:50 right now, waiting for 8 o'clock to get in there and get this permit. There's only me, Annie, and this other family behind us that are waiting, but they only give out 100 permits a day. So this is gonna be pretty sick. I've never been here, Annie's never been here, And this is something totally new, and she just found this. So we're gonna try this out, and hopefully it's not gonna be freezing because it's 46 degrees right now, but hopefully it's like 70 later. So let's get these permits and get on the trails and get to this freaking rock water slide. So we got some more exciting news here. They aren't doing the rock slide today because there's too many leaves that are wet on the rock, and I guess it's a hazard. So it's like, you know, got kicked out of the first place that we were gonna do. Couldn't even walk that hike. Now we can't even freaking slide down this water slide thing. It's all right, we're still gonna have fun. We're gonna do the trails, we're gonna see some waterfalls. But, you know, it'd been cool to slide down a freaking rock.
Yeah.
Anyway, let's enjoy the time we have. So the 1,062 stairs begin.
Oh yeah, we have one of those.
Oh, sorry, I just left.
No, you're okay. We have one of the backpacks. She
Yeah.
likes it for about 20 minutes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
That is where we started. We walked all the way down over the gorge and up here now. And now we are heading to a few more overlooks on this side. Then we're gonna walk across a dam and head back to the interpreter center and get out of here because we can't freaking slide down any rocks today. So here we go. Here's the nice view here. Yep, that's where we started. Oh, that nice waterfall. Walked over that bridge right there. Beautiful.
The depth of the gorge is 500 feet.
Stupid. 3/4.
This is kind of weird. We're walking on a bridge now to get to the other side. Pretty busy road too. I don't know, man, weird state park. It's pretty though. But this is how we get over the dam. We found the dam, it was on the other side of the bridge over there. I was like, it says a dam on the map, but I guess that's not what we were crossing. Oh well. We are going to continue on the South Rim Trail here. And, well, actually, I think this is the North Rim Trail. The South Rim is what we were just on. We're gonna continue back to the center and head on out.
I almost put my hand on him.
All right, guys, we are back at the car now, and that was it. That was it for the Big Creek and where are we? Tallulah Falls. Unfortunately, this video didn't work out too well.
Slide. That's okay.
No rock slide and no freaking waterfall swimming.
I know.
Yeah, at
Not in the fall, I guess. If
yeah,
you're,
at midnight hole either.
yeah,
Oh well, we'll be back here next year or something.
this summer, I guess.
Either summer of next year or the following year, we'll see. You know the drill. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, hit the like button down below. If you're new, hit the subscribe button, and I'll be seeing you all in the next video. And remember, stay level. Peace. Peace.